Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today it is my wash day and I thought I'll film and share it with you guys. So if you want to see how my wash day routine goes like, please keep on watching. The first thing I do is wet my hair. This takes me quite a while because my hair is super thick and I want to make sure that the water gets into my roots before I go in with any products. So now that my hair is fully wet, I'm gonna go in with the Originals Olive Shampoo by Africa's Best. Just going to massage that on my hair, and like I said, my hair is super thick, so I usually have to go back with the shampoo to make sure that the back of my hair also gets enough products. I don't have a problem with this shampoo. It lathers well and cleans my hair really well. However, it does have sulfates, and to be honest, at first I didn't care much about that because I was never planning on growing out my hair. But now that I'm thinking of growing out my afro, I will be getting another shampoo. Then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the shampoo out, and I'm very thorough with this process because I don't want any shampoo remaining in my hair. Make sure that I really massage my scalp to make sure that there is no residue remaining. And the next step is of course conditioning, and I'm gonna be using the Dark and Lovely Au Natural Not Out Detangling Conditioner. This conditioner is really creamy and it's good for detangling my hair. I'm going to massage that all over my hair and scalp. I use quite a generous amount of this conditioner and my hair immediately feels soft. Going to start detangling my hair with my fingers before going in with a detangling brush. I know some people detangle their hair in sections, but my hair is too short for sectioning, so I'm just going to comb through my hair without sectioning it. And this is my hair after detangling. After detangling, I then wear a shower cap and wait for about 10 to 15 minutes while I go ahead with my shower routine, which is of course washing my body and washing my face. Now that it's been 15 minutes, I'm going to take the shower cap off. My hair feels really soft and it feels hydrated. And now it's time to rinse the conditioner out. Again, I take a long time to rinse my hair out. I make sure that I thoroughly rinse out the conditioner because I don't want any conditioner remaining in my hair. that my hair is clean, I'm going to grab a clean 100% cotton t-shirt and wrap my hair with it. I'm using a cotton t-shirt instead of a towel to reduce frizz and breakage. Now it's time to moisturize my hair. I'm going to moisturize my hair using the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy, and this is very runny. I'm going to massage this into my hair so that it is well absorbed and evenly distributed. Once I'm done doing that, I'm going to apply the African Pride Olive Miracle Growth Oil. And I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not really a fan of this oil. I don't feel that it's doing anything for my hair. I'm just using it because my hair needs some oil. I am in the market for some new oil, and I'm also just going to massage that all over my hair. And now it's time to go in with a cream, and I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. I'm just going to apply this all over my hair, and don't worry about how it looks right now. This product dries clear. I'm going to make sure that it is absorbed and evenly distributed all over my hair by massaging it into my hair. This step does take quite a while because my hair is thick and I do want to make sure that it is properly moisturized. I'm going to detangle my hair using an afro comb. I want to make sure that my hair does not have any knots before styling it. And that is it for my wash day routine, guys. If you want to see how I style my hair, please check the description box for my wash and go routine video. And this is how my hair looks like. It is clean and feels super soft and hydrated. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please also comment down below and let me know what you thought of this video, and also give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more of my natural hair content. I will catch you guys on my next video. Bye.